Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. We have here the S10 MAX smartwatch. It is a 10th anniversary edition and it is powered, or it runs the Laxasfit Support App. And as you can see here, it is a sporty smartwatch loaded with a NFC support, Bluetooth call, and wireless charging. Again, this is a Laxasfit supported smartwatch. Here are the other features here: blood sugar, blood fat, SpO2, uric acid, and heart rate for the health monitoring. We are interested to see if what are the additional features for the S10 MAX smartwatch, and at the same time, we want to check if this smartwatch do have a good design. And as you can see here, it states that it has an AMOLED screen display. Let's check. Let's see if this smartwatch is good or not. Let's have the unboxing of the S10 MAX smartwatch. This is the unboxing review of its design, specs, and UI. Alright, so let's start and have the unboxing review of the S10 MAX smartwatch. If you are not yet subscribed, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Support our channel so we can provide more review or more video reviews of affordable smartwatches in the market. Okay, let's use a scissor to remove the plastic here. S10 MAX smartwatch. So it looks like an Apple Watch clone in the Series 9 category, I think. Okay, plastic removed. Let's check. Again, we do have the black color. Is it the strap or the body frame? We'll see. We have the user manual, so available in black and silver color, I think. We do have the Chinese language here for the user manual. Do we have an English language? Yes, we do have. So compatible with Android 5.0 and above and iOS 9.0 and above. We have the QR code here for the support app. So the contents are the user manual. We have a black smartwatch with a black strap here, and we have the wireless charging, and of course we have here the smartwatch. So this is the S10 MAX smartwatch. Seems like it is a copycat of the DT Watch 10 smartwatch, a popular premium looking Apple Watch clone. Okay, so this is the design. Very far from the image here. The image here shows it's a slim smartwatch, but based on the smartwatch here, if you're going to take a look at it, it's pretty similar to other affordable Apple Watch clone. Okay, we have a watch strap lock here. We do hope that it works. Let's see if we can hear a snap on click on the strap. No, did not hear any. No, seems like still force fitting. So this is a rubber instead of a metal plate. But overall, the body frame is made of metal, maybe zinc alloy or aluminum alloy. Okay, it looks okay. Let's check on the weight here. Turn it on. Zero, and we have 53 grams for the weight, including the strap. Based on the image here, it looks premium here, but here on the wearable, it looks like a typical Apple Watch clone smartwatch. Okay, so at the back we have multiple sports mode, wearable device. We do have the sensor. Okay, let's check if there's a power left for the smartwatch. Yes, we still have. So S10, Series 10 or Series 9 category, Series 8. Okay, we do have a slim black border. We have an animated watch face. What else do we have? So it's already preloaded with several watch faces here. Cool looking watch faces. So here's the UI. So seems like the UI is what we have seen from other new wearable. We do have the translucent notifications here. On the bottom part we have the cards. On the other side we have this one UI grid type or window type layout. On the other side is the cards. Pressing the power button. We do have the menus and features. Okay, so that's our S10 MAX smartwatch, an Apple Watch clone smartwatch in the Series 9 or 10 category. S10 MAX smartwatch. So very far from the image here, to be honest. An ordinary or typical looking Apple Watch clone smartwatch. For the specs, going to add it here. You can check the specifications of this wearable. Okay, so we have the display, we have the Bluetooth connectivity, the sensors, and the battery for our S10 MAX smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, drop a comment below. I think this one. Okay, settings. And if you still haven't subscribed, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Again, this is the S10 MAX smartwatch. For the menus and features, watch our second video review for this wearable unboxing review of its menus and features. Again, this is the S10 MAX smartwatch.